Hi everybody! Today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest Pringles factories in the world. Ever stuff chips in your backpack only to find them crumbled later? That's where Pringles excels. Their iconic cylindrical packaging and irresistible crunch are unmatched. What's the secret behind these potato wonders? History of Pringles. Pringles, a special type of potato chip, were invented in the US in 1968 by Alexander Lipa, an engineer at Procter & Gamble. They were widely introduced in the US and are still one of the most popular snacks in the US today. Production process. How does a factory with 650 workers work 24/7 to create crispy jars of Pringles? One, harvesting potatoes. The journey begins with the humble potato. Pringles sources its potatoes primarily from trucks, selecting only the finest specimens for processing. Did you know that Americans consume an average of 125 pounds, 11 kilograms of potatoes per year? That's a lot of spuds. Potatoes meeting strict criteria for size, surface smoothness, and absence of disease are chosen for the next stage. Two, screening and washing. Before entering the production line, potatoes undergo meticulous screening and washing processes. This machine is equipped with a component resembling a long broom. As the potatoes pass through it, it sweeps away dirt. Specialized machinery removes dirt and debris, ensuring that only the highest quality potatoes proceed. The workers inspect and discard any defective potatoes. Potatoes that meet the standards are then transferred to the next stage. A thorough washing process follows, guaranteeing the potatoes' hygiene as they prepare for the transformation. A system of giant automatic washing machines resembling water towers removes any dirt from the surface of the potatoes. The robust capacity of these automatic washing machines ensures that the potatoes are thoroughly clean, ready to be used in preparing delicious dishes. Three, peeling, shaping, and frying. After that, the potato undergoes another round of peeling and washing. Following a thorough peeling, we're left with gleaming potatoes, ready for the next critical step in the process. To craft stackable potato chips, Pringles employs a blend of 1/3 water to 2/3 potato chips, along with a dash of cornstarch. The blend is meticulously mixed on a conveyor belt, then subjected to a pressurized drill for uniform distribution. It's then rolled into elongated sheets and shaped into ovals. They're swiftly fried in scorching oil at 200 degrees Celsius for about 11 seconds for that crispy texture, then whisked under a blower to whisk away any excess oil. A machine crisps each delicate slice in a saddle-shaped mold. Subsequently, they're air-blown to ensure all excess oil is removed. Have you ever counted how many Pringles are in a can? Please comment and let me know how many potato crisps are in your can of Pringles. Four, seasoning and packaging. After frying, Pringles move along a conveyor belt for seasoning. Unlike traditional chips, Pringles are seasoned on one side only, so Pringles uses a waterfall seasoning process, not a mixer. How do you eat Pringles? What's the right way? Some people say the best way to eat them is with the top side down because the top side is usually darker. Pringles offers over 25 flavors in the US and even more globally, totaling 318,000 unique combinations. After cooking, chips move on a slow conveyor belt, then packed for inspection and shipping. Pringles mobilizes 100 trucks daily for global distribution. Five, environmental considerations. While Pringles are beloved for their taste and convenience, there are environmental considerations associated with their packaging. The cans composed of a metal bottom, cardboard body, and plastic lid pose challenges for recycling. In response, Kellogg's, the brand's owner, has begun experimenting with fully recyclable cans, demonstrating a commitment to sustainability. Thanks for exploring the Pringles production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.